Wait. Okay. Long press. Don't remove. Keep it clean. Okay. Yeah.
Like 20
That
seconds.
is the programming. Give it your coffee if you want to single shot. Make your coffee 8 gram and tamper very well and push here. Okay. Then choose which one you want to program. For example, if you want to this, okay, keep it your the measurement cup also. Okay. 30 gram, 60 gram. There is measurement cup. Okay. Choose
the water flows.
Yeah. When you get accurate level, just stop.
Like for example, 60 ml.
60 ml. When you get the 60 ml in the cup, just stop.
Just stop. And then
One by one for everything. Not the star one. Not the star one. Or 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here.
if you change this one, it will change here also?
No. I said
so
one by
one by
one.
one. Okay.
After that, press again just one press on the back, return back. That's it. For this one, select which doses. There is doses 1, doses 2. If you want to doses 1, for example, you need to more gram, go like that. If you want to reduce, that's it. There is no need to go
Less
to
and plus.
That's it.